So, the eagerly awaited Google Pixel 9 series is poised to take over from the Pixel 8 lineup, which made its debut in October 2023, introducing both the base Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro model. Speculation suggests that this series will consist of 3 new models, including a standard variant and a Pro edition. While the existence of a third model has not been officially confirmed, potential sightings online have fueled speculation. Recently, a new Google handset surfaced on a benchmarking website, potentially representing the speculated third Pixel 9 model. A Geekbench 5 listing showcased a Google device codenamed Take, believed to be the upcoming Pixel 9 smartphone, offering an initial glimpse into the performance of the company's next-generation Tensor G4 processor. While the benchmark results and device specifications provide some insights, caution is warranted as the handset achieved a single-core score of 1,082 points and a multi-core score of 3,121 points, notably lower than those of the Pixel 8 models. The listing reveals the Google Take model with an octa-core chipset, featuring 4 cores clocked at 1.95 GHz, 3 at 2.60 GHz, and 1 at 3.10 GHz, possibly indicating the presence of the Tensor G4 chipset. Additionally, the device is equipped with a Mali G715 GPU, 8 GB of RAM, and runs on the Android 14 OS. The upcoming Google Pixel lineup is anticipated to include a base Pixel 9 model, codenamed Komodo, and a Pixel 9 Pro model, codenamed Cayman. Although rumors swirl about a potential third model, details are scarce, with speculation suggesting it could be part of the Pixel 9 series. Previously leaked images of the Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, featuring flat sides unlike their predecessors and resembling the design of the iPhone 15 series, have surfaced online. The models showcase a more compact camera island housing a triple rear camera setup. While awaiting official confirmation, this report sets the stage for further analysis. As the potential launch timeframe for the Pixel 9 series draws near, additional details may emerge regarding Google's chipset strategy and its impact on the Android smartphone market. However, until official details are disclosed, maintaining a level of skepticism and awaiting official confirmations is advisable before drawing definitive conclusions about the device's capabilities and potential market positioning. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series, and especially about the third and the newest member of the lineup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.